How to lock Facebook profile. First, open your Facebook app and click More on the lower right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Proceed to select Settings again. Now click the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now let's search for the settings lock. But as you can see, I don't have this lock profile settings, so it seems that it is not available for all users. So instead, let's go ahead and try this alternative to lock your Facebook profile based on the Facebook Help Center. Now, if you read this, there are other ways to manage your privacy. So you can do this if the lock profile feature is not available to you. You can use Privacy Check app, choose who can share your post, photos, and other information, your basic info, change story settings. So that will do for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.